Hello fan collectors, this is a Hampton Bay Cascade ceiling fan in my Aunt Becky's master bedroom. It has 5 blades and the uplight has 4 and the bowl has 2 lights. And I'll turn on fan. Oh, that's not it. Oh, there it is. And this is a rare ceiling fan. It's from the 90s, which my aunt's house was built in. It has 3 pull chains. One of them has been replaced since the 3rd one broke. I'll turn on the uplight. And I'll turn the bowl off. And it has I think I turned off the fan. There it is with the uplight. 4 bulbs together. And talk to you later, fan collectors. Bye.